Swift action is key to achieving victory in times of political turmoil. Cutting off all communication with the enemy is essential, isolating them in their stronghold. We must be ruthless in our pursuit of justice, executing our plans precisely. When the enemy least expects it, strike with full force. We weaken their defenses before the battle begins by winning over their allies and undermining their support. We act like a virgin at first, luring the enemy into a false sense of security, then striking like a startled rabbit, overwhelming them before they can react. The key is to be agile and unpredictable, always staying one step ahead of our opponents. By mastering the art of war and employing strategic tactics, victory is within our grasp. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.